Thank you very much again. Thank you for joining back, guys. Awesome. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Whatever part of the world you're joining us from. This is one-on-one session with Aini and the Alawale. So far, so we'll be able to do a quick overview. So today, we should go into what should we do? Sorry, guys, a minute. Hello, I'm in a meeting. I will call you back. I'm in a meeting. I'll call you back. So, are you there, sir? Are you?
Yes, sir.
Should I analyze the pair you're looking out for this week, or what should we do today? Because we can't do much. That will be next week. We can do any. Can start any.
Yeah. I'll just introduce us to the next topic. Then we will continue. We'll build on it later. Just introduce us to the next topic, sir.
Okay. I told us that there are different ways to market changes. List them for me, Ayeni. Market changes, all market changes, sir. List them. No,
if the market,
all market changes. What it is you see,
if the
market information changes in market structure.
If the market is to change, it has to form a double top or double bottom.
Point one, okay.
But in some cases, there are some reversal patterns that will change the structure.
Okay.
Like head and shoulder.
Okay.
And there are some candlestick retracements, which I don't know anything about for now.
Okay. Good. On a head and shoulder pattern, where do you place your stop loss?
The stop loss on a head and shoulder pattern should be okay. Let me try and get this. Should be at the head, like just slides below the head.
Okay, at the head, you can decide to give an allowance depending on what you want to risk. At the edge, you could give any allowances you want to give, depending on what your amount of what you want to risk, and all like that. Good. How do you identify a breakout and retest?
A breakout.
And retest, yes.
If there will be a breakout, that means it has to show a full candle.
That's the what?
Show a very full candle, a full candle.
A what?
Full body.
I told you the word to use. I'm getting that word. Let me understand. So it has to show what?
A full body candle.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Then a retest would not show the full body candle. It will like have wick, then come back into the trend line or the cycle level.
Perfect. Good.
Can I get that?
So what?
Get for the retest.
He said he didn't get that.
For the retest, can you please?
Okay, he said for a market that wants to break out on retest, it must break out with a full body candle and will test back to either the trend line or the cycle level. Let me show you an example.
No, do it. Let me
break out with a full body candle. I said that one before. So does that one. Then it's want to get a test under the trend line or cycle level, and then we need to move. Let me show you an example of that.
Will it move under the cycle level or something like what?
What do you say?
The full body candle move under the cycle level. Simply break up.
When you break out, you know, when does it break out first? What will you do, Ale? When a candle, when a market, what will you do? Can you hear me?
Hello, I can hear you now.
Once the market break out, what will you do?
To break out with the full body candle.
Yes. Now, if you want to
For the
retest, yes. Once it breaks out, if you break out the full body candle and retest back to that trend line or cycle level, that's what he said. For example, now this now has broken out now. That's broken out what? This trend line. So it's retesting back to this trend line, then to go. That's exactly what it's doing. Let me show you another one.
Okay.
See this one now. I see this one. I see, sir.
Yes, sir.
Breaks out from this trend line, then we test. That go. It's also do another test again on this one again. They can do 2 or 3 tests as much as you like. That's market for you. You can do 1 test and begin to go from there. After you can do 2 or 3 and begin to go. Break out from this trend line here. And we tested. Second tested again. This is the third one tested again. Before you can do. Let me show you another one. See this one too, Wale. Can you see? Breaks out in this cycle level. Then we test on this trend line. Let me show you another one again. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
Breaks out, then we test a bit. It's always, what was it? Market moves in what? Elliott waves. Always buy. Say, no matter what, it can't be just really. That's why you have to do what? A retest, then we test, and it's going now. So that is how it works. Good. So how do you identify a fake out, Wale?
A fake out.
Yes.
You can show me. Let me just identify like from the.
How do you know a fake out? I'm asking, how do you know a fake out?
Like when 2 full body candle override the trend line.
Right, what?
The trend line.
Is that all?
That's what.
How do you know a fake out, sir?
Yeah, a fake out is when a trend or psychology level is being broken, then it's come back right. It's when a psychology or trend line is being broken and the market still come back and respect the trend line as the cycle level.
Perfect. It shows that you're always following your class and then your notes. Shows why you don't go through this notes. It's very shows. So can you hear what he said, Wale? He said, how you know your breakouts is when the market breaks through a trend line. Break through that trend line and still come back inside the trend line. They get respecting the trend line. As we know, that breaks out then was just a fake out. Example is this. Break out this trend line. They still come inside it again and begin to respect it again. That's not a fake out. I told us the last class, you have forgotten. You don't go through your notes. Once the class ends, it ends there. Kai. Once it ends there. Come on. This is not school work. We're not doing exam here. Hey. Jesus. We have to take it serious. Take it serious. That's how you know what? A fake out. Wale, how do you know when the market is about to change? What are the structures you will see? List out different structures for you to know when the market changes to a new formation. Tell me.
When the market wants to change structure, sometimes it's from double bottom or double top.
One.
That's an M pattern or W pattern.
It's also the same thing. That's one, yes.
And also I think when it's that's what I still picture, the major one I picture.
Hey, I told us about listening to now. Then what are the ideas should I shuffle? As well, it's also a change of market structure or formation. One, that is two as well. I also intel about candlesticks. There are some candlestick formation that you will see that I just see it in the 15 minutes. I'll be like, oh, this has changed already. Has changed. I told us as well. Told us. Number one candlestick you should look out for. Let me show you. Let me find it here. I told us about this, about okay. Should I draw it or what? Let me draw it. Okay. You don't understand. Let me just show us. You don't understand. Let me show us. You don't understand. Let me show us. You guys will understand. Let me show you. I want to show you guys before. Why am I getting tired so easily, baby? Yeah, this is it, guys. What is this? Can you see this?
Sir, what's up?
Can you see this? A first candle, a small doji, another one also. This formation is also changes. It buys from here, just buy. First voice is a cycle level. That's why it's putting further buying. Sell back again. But some of these ones, most times, what I notice is that sometimes their buying don't go that far, but there are changes of structure. Sometimes, so you can't see. But if you see it,
that kind of structure.
What do you say? This I'm showing you now. This one, this I just showed you now.
You show us, but what's the name? What's it called?
It's just a formation. Candlestick formation of changes in pattern, reversal pattern. That might have to reverse. This one thing and the small doji in the middle. This one. If I see it, the market will reverse. You don't see it reverse. What I also observe is that this top you may not observe. It may not go wide. It may not go long. It may not go too far. Like it may not travel far. See now the reversal just move. But if I see this in a 4 hour or 1 hour, then it might probably do far of reversal. You get sometimes I see it in a 1 hour time frame, and I see it in 4 hours. And like, this thing will go fast, man. Remember I told you about the pips that moved in 30 minutes, 15 minutes. 1 hour and 4 hours about the reversal stop. Same thing applies to this one too as well. I think so. So this one you can draw it now, please. Take a pen. If you're watching this later, you can take a pen and draw it on the jotter. Then label it as what a reversal pattern, candlestick reversal pattern formation. Draw it now, guys. I'm waiting for you. Pick up a pen or a jotter, a note, and draw that formation. Then you can label it. I'm talking. When you're done, let me know. Are you done, guys? Are you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me show you another of it. So you'll be so familiar with it. Wale, have you done that too as well?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I want to know this one too as well. See this one. See it here. Pam, pam, pam. He what? He buys. If you're selling already, you do these stops, then he bought. So it's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Middle, a doji. The doji can be in any form. This doji, this one is longer. Because of what I understand the system.
Sir, can we call that? Can we call that in the middle a week?
Of course, this is called week now. Yeah, sure. It used to be pure week with this sign of a plus sign of this. It's a pure one, just like the one I showed you now. It's called doji. I will teach us candlestick alone. All these things here, they are named. They have their name. This is a doji. There are three types of dojis. Yeah. And it's to have this kind of stuff, formation, then it's like what you change the buys and then you keep buying. That's all. So note that, guys. It might be in any form. See, this one is even longer. It's not even small. Because I know the formation already. How anyhow it may want to form. You know it. Just like what I told you about M and W pattern. It may not form a good shape, but anyhow it's form, it is still M and W pattern. That's how it is. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Let's check another thing again. Only that one for today. You can master it once you begin to forget what you have been taught. If you also see it, you can point my attention to it. No problem. So that one, guys. One, then this. Then it changes. Revise.
Very, very, very small.
Very small. Yeah, very small. You must do something else to confirm it. That's what I told you in market. When something else, we show you that a market is about to change. This one, come here, it stop. Rejected it. So we must be showing other things that will confirm that formation for you. That one that we did just previous one, there was a fair line there too. That I expected. They changed that, I did that formation. Fair line on that code. Then it did something like this. That's why it brought. So it must be other things that they are confirming that structure, that shape, that formation for you. Okay? So not just that thing alone. The market is crazy. We do that, still selling or still buying. Wait, coach told us you will change now. No change. What happened? No change. So this one is crazy. Market is crazy, man. It's true now. Market is crazy. Maybe we are one thing. You have to combine other things too and be sure that that's changed.
It can also do it for itself, sir.
What do you say?
I said, can it also do it for itself?
You can also do it what?
For itself. Not
For
just
itself.
buy.
Yes, okay. For itself, I believe for buy, I believe. Okay. Let's go do sell. Let's go do sell. This is a sell market. Can you see? See this stop. 1, 2, 3. It's already for me to see what to sell. So you should see what you should sell to this point. Probably to this trend line or to this point. Now, go and watch this one now. It's an assignment for you guys. This is a live one. GBPUSD. The market will open in the next few hours. Once it opens, study this thing very well. This is a perfect example, guys. This is it. You can study it. This one is touching what? Can you see?
Cycle level. What's the difference between the buy and the sell?
It's the same thing now. You have to see what I just drawn now.
I know. Like, okay, maybe the color, Sha. Okay.
Same thing now. If it's coming out, it can come in any form. Just make sure it is that formation. It's from that formation. So you can pick it in any form, from that formation. So go and study. Go and ensure you study this one now. This is the best form because it's not occur fully. This is how you can know it. This is how you can study it. This is how you can perfect your this thing. It did this thing on what? On a cycle level. Again, if you look at it, go back again, that cycle level must have been a resistance. Beyond just cycle level, see now, resistance. Does you see it here? Does you see it here? Does you see the resistance again? And you come to what? Lower time frame. And you see that three things. So I can boldly say this market. At least you come here, I'll be fine. Am I talking? That's how to do it. So this formation I see, definitely this one is cheaper. So once market open, let's study this thing, guys. If you come back here and reject, if there is a support, you give support here, invisible support here, and reject, go back. Or to this point, please go back. That's all. So this is where we'll stop for today. I'm very tired already. Okay. So that is the kind. Write it down and study that. I want to give you assignment. Go back for all these peers. Go and be looking for it and do your own study, your own back testing, and be checking it out. That's how you to build your confidence in knowing them. So you already know one pattern again. So we're going into it in the next class. Okay, guys. Then the question.
Okay, are we to do candlesticks now, sir?
Sure, we are going. We're moving to candlestick already. This is one of the candlestick formation.
Okay, sir.
Next class, yeah. So.
Okay, sir. I have a question, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What are your favorite peers?
I don't have actually I don't have what I trade USD a lot, and I love and I do EURUSD and GBPUSD. And if anything that is aligned to my strategy is favorite for me. Once I say like this, and now yes, so I don't have favorite. I want to stick with USDJPY before I told you then, and then gold.
Do you trade? Do you trade EU, sir?
You said what?
Do you trade EU?
BU, GU. I
Yes,
do
sir.
now. I see
EU.
Bitcoin, ba?
EU.
I do,
USD.
but that pair I don't like it. And it's always going against me most times. Whenever I take it, I don't know. I don't win. I don't win mostly. I don't know why. I don't win. All my wins pairs are only GBPUSD, gold, AUD, NZD, AU, AUD, USD card. Those ones I win a lot. So it's just about these two. Also what to win a lot also. I win all these ones a lot. JPY said I win, but I always observe AUD USD. I don't know why. Maybe when I take it to, I'm always wrong. I don't know. But I observe AUD. But if you give me a better setup, I will take it. So I'm always better setup. And anything that aligns with my strategy. That's fine. So I don't really yes, sir.
One last question, sir.
Okay.
How do you manage to be like watching everything without getting confused?
Oh, I have a system. I have a phone. I have a laptop. I have a laptop. I have a phone.
I know. Okay. I know. The attention, like
okay, the attention of okay. Anyway, I said I already know correlation of a pair already, and so our teachers will get it. So once a pair is moving, I already know what the other pair will be doing. So I go back to go and check it.
Okay.
Yeah, I go back to go and check. Oh, this one should be doing this by now. So I already know. I know all those correlations of all those pairs. Most of them. So I just go back to go and check it. Oh, it's doing what I need to do. Then let me find an entry for this. Then I just enter. Then shoot.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So before I have a gold and a USDJPY before as I keep right. I'm trading them. I just say, oh God, this is not going to favor me. Man, just they go with better setup. And with minimal stop garbage. So it's there, I just switch. So and I say, so you have to always note what takes your money more. Good as I'm taking my money more. So I want to stop it. Also, I see setup that is so good. I mean, I will take it. That's how market should be. It should be after profit. I want to make money. I be like the anyhow pay. I don't fucking care. But if you can give me what I need, I don't mind. That's what I'm after now. I'm not talking, guys. So I check any fucking pay. I give the best setup, the best stop loss in the market, and I'm so confident with it, meeting all my criteria, all my competencies. Come on, man. I don't fucking care that pay, whatever it is. I want to shoot on them. Is that good? Is that answered?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Good. Why do you have any questions?
No, sir. No.
Don't forget this pair, their story is very well. You want to observe it to sell to this point. Because of what it is what you are seeing. And it's what's on the cycle level. And it's also what on the resistance level.
That's my favorite pair.
Oh, awesome. That's good. That's GDP. It's also movable. I like it too. After gold, it has a volume. This pair has a very good volume. It has volume. It moves like it's after gold just now with small thing. If gold is moving in 10 pips, they move faster also in so it's also a good one. What? It's a strong pair, Britain and USD. That's why it's moved very strong. It moves like the movement is also faster. But just good, the crazy guy. Good, just senior. So that is it for today, guys. I need to get a rest now. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. We will catch up again next time, next session, next time, same hour, same moment. In the next class again, we will be looking into something new as well. Continuing this our new topic. Thank you so much for joining me, guys, and I really appreciate everybody for today. Join me again next class, guys, and have a wonderful night. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace out, guys, and see you in the next class.